If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and I want to give you an update of what's going to be happening on Larry's Fountain Pen Zoom Pen Hangout for this month. Also, we got a lot of stuff going on next month as well. So, then on Thursday, I'm doing a video with the individual that will be later seen on my YouTube on Top 3 Inks. On November 24th at 6:30 p.m., I am going to have Mike Green, the pen maker, on my channel. Also, I will be talking about some giveaways coming up with Mike Green in December and January. So that's going to be real exciting. And then Lisa will be on with me, plus Tony. But Lisa will also have an input and talk to you about Mike's pens that she bought. And then I will give my input about Mike's pens as well. So hope to see you then. And I think, didn't he live in Delaware, I believe?
I think so. I'm not sure.
So, and then on November the 30th at 6:30 p. Central Time, I'm having Richard Myers on Zoom, and that's going to be open to everybody as well. And he's gonna show you and share his pen collection. So I've heard that's a sight to see. So we can't wait to get that on. And I want to remind everybody that on December 1st to the 4th, Dante DeVecco will be in New York at the Rockefeller Center. So that's a whole new thing for him, isn't it? I believe. So if you're out and about in New York, or if you have plans to go to New York and you're a pen enthusiast, it's your time to meet Dante. Yes, he's known famously for Visconti, but now he's with Pennider. So that's really going to be exciting because Pennider, I believe, is opening up a store at the Rockefeller, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So that's going to be really exciting and really hot news. Dante, the man, the master himself, will be there. So you can meet him, talk with him, buy a few pens, and have a great time. He's a great man. Superman. Just really great. Now let's move over to December. For right now, on Sunday, the 5th of December, Salvatore Montone, is that how you say it? M-A-T-R-O-N-E, Montoni, excuse me for butchering that name, from Leonardo, will be on at 4 p. Central Time. Again, Salvador from Leonardo, the man himself, will be with us on Zoom at 4 p. Central Time on December the 5th. All right. Then, on January the 2nd, that will be on a Sunday, 2022, at 12 noon Central Time, Paul with Karas Pen Company, as you might know, Karas Custom Pens, will be on Zoom as well. So I'm kind of excited for that one too. So Paul has a lot to share, has a lot going on, a lot to talk about, and for all you Karas Pen fans out there, this is your time to meet Paul and to ask him some questions that you need answers to. And they have been really busy doing a whole lot of things, right? So, again, that's going to be January the 2nd. So, I'm excited about that as well. So, Mr. Announcer is going to be posting it where, Mr. Announcer, if you don't forget?
mrannouncer.info.
Now, sometimes he forgets, like he forgot to put one of them in there for the pin meet. Oh, well, things happen, right? Right, okay. So, my friend, that's going to do it today. You've heard it from the man himself, the bug, a.k.a. Pin Bug. Hey, it's happening here, baby. Here's where it rocks. Here's where the buck stops, right here. Peace and love, authentic, not plastic. I'm the real deal, and I'll be the real deal until I'm no deal at all. Peace and love, and be kind to a stranger. And as always, don't text and don't drive. Get with the crowd, baby. Be cool.